Hello there and welcome to Key Stage 3 Science. We're looking at muscles here today. So let's read this together. When you think of muscles, you might picture a bodybuilder with a big bulging arm and chest of muscles. But your muscles do not have to look like that to work well. Every time you write your name, you use the 20 different muscles in your hand. Every time your heart beats, you use your cardiac muscle. When you chew your food, you use your tongue muscles. You're even using muscles when you blink your eyes. In fact, every time you move, you are using some sort of amazing muscle in your body. So a muscle is made of tiny fibers. Fiber is a type of tissue that feels a little like a rubber band. Thousands of these fibers are packed together to make a single muscle. We all have the same number of muscles, around 700 or so. Men and women with extra big muscles simply have thicker bundles of fibers. There are three different types of muscles. Smooth muscles are ones you cannot control. They work behind the scenes to keep your body running. The smooth muscles include the ones that help you digest your food. The cardiac muscle makes the heart pump blood in and out the body. Skeletal muscles is the kind you can control. These are muscles you use to raise your hand or swim laps or ride your scooter, for example. Usually a skeletal muscle is attached to the end of a bone. Muscles and bones work together to give your body power, strength, and movement. In fact, every year, your leg muscles help you take about 5 million steps. Even your face uses muscles, but if you want to save your energy, try smiling instead of frowning. It takes 17 muscles in your face to smile, but 43 muscles to frown. So there you go. Keep smiling. Have a read of this again and try answering the questions based on muscles, and we'll follow this up in our next class. Good luck.